Shopify review. So what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be going over Shopify, what it's all about, going over everything you need to know about the platform, and most importantly, actually giving you a live walkthrough and a live demo of what's inside the membership area and what you can actually do with the Shopify tool. So without further ado, guys, make sure to watch this video till the end so I can give you a thorough review and most importantly, help you make an informed decision to see if Shopify is going to be right for you and your business. So with that being said, guys, let's begin today's video and go over everything we need to know about Shopify that a lot of other people aren't telling you. So yeah, let's begin today's video. Alright, so as you can see on screen, we are on my computer, and yeah, let's begin today's Shopify review video together. So the first thing I wanted to address in today's review video is how easy it is to use Shopify. Like, is it actually really easy for the average person who's a complete beginner at possibly making money online or building a website to create their own beautiful Shopify website? And is it going to be ideal for advanced users as well? So what I wanted to do is actually show you firsthand what Shopify is like when it comes to customizing your website, okay? So in my last video on Shopify, I made a 10-minute tutorial creating a website like this. And as you can see, it looks pretty nice, especially considering it only took like 5 to 10 minutes to actually create. So I'll leave a link down below in the video description if you want to check out that tutorial on how you can actually create a website in 10 minutes. But, to give you a live walkthrough right here on how I actually did it, it's actually pretty simple for beginners to create a website. So that's the big pro actually if you're looking to use Shopify to create a money-making store and a money-making website where you sell products and services to people, because it just makes it really easy to do so. So as you can see, for an example, in this website I created right here, we have a nice homepage right here with like a slideshow of like various different images of jet skis. So in this example, I actually made a demo store pretending to sell jet skiing gear, right? And down below, we do actually have like a example product right here selling jet ski life jackets, and people can actually go ahead and add this product to the cart and buy it now. So it's pretty simple to do, and it's very user friendly, especially for beginners if you want to create a beautiful, good looking store that converts into sales for you and makes you money, right? So that's the whole purpose of like a Shopify store, to like make you money while you sleep, so to speak, and to actually create a brand and something that's going to be an asset in the long term, right? And Shopify allows you to do that even if you're a brand new beginner. For those advanced users watching this video, you can actually use your web design skills and do some advanced stuff with Shopify as well. That's always an option, but again, this is going to be great for beginners as well, especially for beginners, because you can just customize your website so easily. So for an example, if we scroll down below, let's just say I wanted to like move this subscribe to our newsletter call to action to the very top or in the middle. I can just simply just drag this. As you can see, I'm dragging it right here, and I can drag it to the very top, and now people can subscribe to our newsletter at the very top, and that will appear at the top of the website. And normally, if you were doing that on any other platform or just in general, it require a lot of coding. To be honest, it's just not that simple and easy to just simply drag and drop like elements and sections on the page to your liking, as I'm doing right here on screen. And that's the cool thing about Shopify. You can basically add different sections right here, which are building blocks of your website pages, which make them look good, So as you can see, add section, we can add a blog post, we can add a collection list, featured collection, featured product, a map as well if your store's a physical address, a video, custom HTML as well if you want to do some advanced stuff. So right off the bat, Shopify is a really simple platform to use if you want to customize and build your own money-making Shopify app, and you can easily go inside of the user interface inside of your Shopify dashboard right here, and you can create products right here. You can add a product. So for example, I added a product here for jet skiing. It's very simple to create a product. You can just add a product right here that you want to sell. You can just fill this information out. Again, I made a tutorial going over this in a bit more detail. It's very simple to do. You can add a product. So another thing I wanted to go over in this review video for you is the themes themselves, because the reason why I was able to make a beautiful, high converting website like this inside of Shopify fast and easily is because there's a bunch of themes we can choose from. And if we go inside of our Shopify dashboard right here, if we go over here to online store on the left hand side, and if we go over here to themes, we can choose from a variety of different free themes. A lot of these themes are done for you, so all you have to do is just import the themes, customize the themes to your own brand, like I did here for this example website right here. All I did was just modify the text, add a couple images, add my own products, and just modify everything. And again, this is a very simple website. You can make like an even better Shopify store if you just put in like an extra like 20 minutes of work. Again, I just did this in 10 minutes, so you could definitely make an even better store than this. But as you can see right here, Shopify has a bunch of high quality themes you can take advantage of, and literally it's basically all done for you. It just makes building a store and a lucrative store right off the bat that are proven to convert and make sales for you just 10 times more easier, right? So there's plenty of themes you can choose from. Now there are some paid themes, but honestly I'll just recommend starting off with the free themes because you'll save a bunch of money that way. And to be frankly honest with you, even with the paid themes, they're not that much different really. They do have a few more different features and functionalities depending on the paid theme you obviously purchase, but in general I'd probably just recommend a free theme. So for example, here's like Venture, here's Boundless. I'm just going over some like example themes you can like see up right off the bat. And if we click on view demo for this theme right here, so as you can see, this theme looks really nice. It's obviously for snowboarding by the looks of things, so it looks really high quality. Here's another example theme. So if we click on view demo, this is a theme for clothing right here, which looks pretty nice. So again, there's plenty of free themes you can take advantage of. Like you can literally import this theme inside of your Shopify account, customize it to your own brand, and you can start selling your products out there in the marketplace as soon as possible. So I really like the fact that you can just import a bunch of Shopify themes and just leverage them right off the bat. That's what makes Shopify really attractive. It's probably the reason why I've heard like a lot of buzz about it. So far in today's video, we've covered that we can use a bunch of themes right off the bat to get our Shopify store up and running ASAP. We've obviously learned that customizing those themes inside of Shopify is really simple and easy to do. We've also learned that if you're an advanced user, you can obviously customize and add some code to your Shopify store as well if you want to do that as well. And now I want to kind of give you a bit of a rundown on what's actually inside of your Shopify account, because if you click the top link down below in the video description, you can actually get a 14-day free trial or a free trial of Shopify for free without any credit card or anything like that. Like all you have to do is just click the top link down below and just enter your email address, and you'll literally have a free trial with no credit card required, which is awesome, right? And once you do that, you'll be able to obviously get your store up and running as soon as possible and start customizing it. And if we go over here inside of the user interface, alright, so if you're enjoying today's Shopify video so far, make sure to leave a like and just smash that like button below. Subscribe for more Shopify videos, and comment down below what type of Shopify store you're looking to build and what country you're from as well, so I can help you make money based on your own personal location. But yeah, let's get back onto today's Shopify video. This is going to be your behind the scenes like dashboard where you kind of like manage everything. You can actually go ahead and add products right here. So if you want to like add a product to sell, so for example, in my demo website right here, I added a demo product, which is the jet ski life jacket for $150 that people can obviously buy just for demo. You can go ahead and actually add products right here inside of add product, and that's how you'll be adding like products that you can sell to the marketplace with your Shopify store. You can see all your orders right here, customers, you can add discounts as well. And the last thing I wanted to cover in today's video is the apps section, because apps are basically very powerful. Because if you're familiar with WordPress or just even like downloading apps on your phone, you'll know that these plugins in WordPress and apps on your phone give you like extra features you wouldn't normally have on your phone or on your website on WordPress, right? So essentially these apps give you extra functionality. So once you start your free trial of Shopify, again, I'll leave a link down below for your convenience if you want to get a free trial and test it out, so you can actually get a first-hand feel for all the themes and Shopify in general to see if it's going to be right for you. I think that's the best advice I can honestly give you when it comes to determining whether or not Shopify is going to be right for you. Just get a first-hand feel for free, and you can, which is pretty cool. But getting to the topic of today's video, if we click on visit the Shopify App Store right here under apps, we'll be taken to the Shopify App Store where we can actually see various different apps we can actually take advantage of and add to our own Shopify store, which makes Shopify really unique in this regard. So as you can see, Shopify gives you a bunch of like different staff picks that they obviously like recommend. There's obviously plenty of trending apps that are gaining popularity. For example, the Instagram feed app right here, we can obviously open that in the new tab, the automatic discounts and gifts, and there's plenty of apps right here as you can see down below. I mean, the list just really goes on. And I'll make a video, by the way, so make sure to like this video and subscribe on the best Shopify apps that you can get for free to add to your Shopify stores. So make sure to stick around for that, because I will be making a video, or there might be a video already out by the time you're watching this video on the best Shopify free apps you can take advantage of. So there'll be videos on my channel regarding that as well. Anyway, so if we go over here, as you can see right here, we can see the app that we want to like obviously add. So I can click on add app if I want, and as you can see, it's going to be adding the app to my store. So as you can see, I can click on install app. You're about to install Instagram stories to your Shopify store, and there you go. Now the Instagram stories app is actually added to my Shopify store, and I can actually utilize this app inside of my store when customizing my brand new website. And you can do this for all these other various apps as well. You can search up various different like app names as well. So if we click over here to Instagram feed, just to give you an example, we can see plenty of other websites that have actually used this. We can scroll down below and we can see an example store actually utilizing this app in real time. We can see an example store utilizing the app, so you can kind of like see firsthand on whether or not the app's going to be right for you, and you can kind of like get a demo or see it in real time on other like stores right here to see if it's going to be right for you. So obviously this store is looking pretty nice. They look pretty established for an example, but yeah, there's plenty of different like customizations and apps you can add to make your Shopify store really unique and really amazing. So I want to kind of like go over that as well. As you can see, the app is installed and it looks pretty nice. We can download many other apps as well. You can explore over 4,000 plus apps as well, which is pretty cool. There's plenty of free and paid apps you can choose from. And yeah, I just want to go over that in today's video as well. Now to conclude today's Shopify review video, is Shopify, going to be good for you? It's obviously going to depend on you as an individual. But if you want my advice or my honest opinion, I think Shopify is going to be good for you if you want to actually build a money-making website and store to sell your products. If that's the case, then I think Shopify is definitely worth a try at the very least. If you just want to build a generic website, maybe that isn't going to sell any products, then maybe you can use like another website builder. But in general, if you do want to make some money and get into e-commerce and start selling your products, then Shopify is going to be a good tool for you to use. And the good news is, guys, you can get a free trial of Shopify right here with no credit card required. And all you have to do is just enter your email to start your free trial of Shopify, and you can start getting a first-hand feel of Shopify to see if it's going to be right for you. Because obviously you can watch my review video and all these other videos out there on YouTube, but you're never going to really know if it's going to be right for you unless you actually try it, right? So what I'm going to do for you guys is leave a link down below in the video description where you can get a free trial of Shopify with no credit card required, and you'll be able to start your Shopify free trial right now and begin creating your beautiful Shopify store as soon as possible. And then obviously at the end of the trial, you can make a decision on whether or not it's going to be right for you long term, and whether or not you want to obviously make money online through e-commerce and Shopify. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's Shopify review video. Thanks again for watching this video. If you found value in it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more Shopify tutorial video content and just content on marketing in general. And yeah, thanks again for watching today's video. Peace.